Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're taking a closer look at something called the Rubi Network Mining App.
Right. This is the one that's had over 1 million downloads.
Exactly. And the promise is it's incredible. You tap a button on your phone once a day and you just watch these crypto tokens pile up.
And they're not just worthless points. The app shows them having a value of, what, $3 to $8 each?
Yeah. So you feel like you're making real money. It's pitched as totally passive income. You even get a 10% referral bonus, to get your friends involved.
And that's the hook, isn't it?
Yeah.
They make a huge deal about having no expensive hardware, no electricity bills.
Right.
So if you can supposedly generate wealth with zero energy, zero investment, you have to ask, what is actually going on when you tap that button behind the little animation?
Well, that's where they try to sound impressive. They throw around all this jargon, cloud mining through proof of consensus, and the white paper mentions something called the Pandora blockchain.
It uses the language, for sure. It sounds legitimate.
It does.
But when independent researchers actually looked for this blockchain, they found, well, nothing.
Wait, nothing at all?
Zero. There's just no evidence of any functioning blockchain network. That hunting button everyone's capping, it's just telling a private server to add a number to your account in their database.
So it's a glorified counter. It's not mining in any real sense.
Not at all. And if the tech isn't real, you have to start looking at the people behind it.
Okay. So the team. They have these professional-looking photos, Vietnamese names, and they make this big, noble claim that they own 0% of the tokens themselves, to ensure fairness.
Right. And here's where it gets really interesting. Those team photos, they were run through AI detection tools, flagged as artificially generated.
You're kidding?
Not at all. And then you check their social media, their LinkedIn, all the links are dead. These people, the founders, they just don't exist. They're AI ghosts.
Wow. Okay. So fake tech, fake people. But what about the money? That $3 to $8 value they're displaying, people see that and think they're accumulating a small fortune.
That dollar value is completely arbitrary.
Oh.
It's made up. The key is that Rubi isn't listed on any legitimate exchange. Not on Binance, not on Coinbase, nowhere you could actually cash it out for real money.
So the only way to trade it is
Peer-to-peer. You have to find another user in the system to sell your tokens to. You're basically selling the illusion to someone else.
Which brings us to their actual business model, because they have to be making money somewhere.
They do. And it all comes to a head when you try to withdraw your earnings.
The KYC verification.
Exactly. Know your customer. To get your tokens out, first, you have to hand over really sensitive personal data. Your government ID, proof of address.
Very valuable data.
Immensely valuable. And second, you have to pay a fee.
How do you pay it?
You pay it using the worthless Rubi tokens you just mined.
Huh.
It's a perfectly closed loop. Volunteers process the KYC to earn fees, paid in tokens from other users paying fees. No real money ever enters or leaves. The developers just harvest your data and your attention.
And they keep people hooked by constantly pushing back the withdrawal deadlines. First, it was Q4 2023, then Q1 2024.
And now it's some vague timeline stretching into late 2025. The delay is the whole point.
Why?
Because every single day you log in to tap that button, you're watching ads. They're making real money from ad impressions while you're chasing a payout that never comes.
So let's just recap. We have an AI-generated team, a blockchain that doesn't exist, a token with no real value, and a KYC process designed to harvest data.
All while they make money off you watching ads.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, when you're tapping that button, you're not working for yourself. You're working for the developers.
So here's the thought to leave you with. What is the true cost of spending your time and handing over your personal data for a promise of easy wealth, when the entire machine is built just to harvest those two things from you? Thanks for diving deep with us.